how to download and install Phantom Wallet crypto app in mobile. In this video, I will guide you through all the steps, just make sure to watch till the end. First of all, locate Play Store app on your mobile and open it. Tap on this search icon. Type Phantom Wallet and press enter. This is the right application with over 10 million plus downloads. Tap on it. Press install. Basically, Phantom Wallet is a secure and user-friendly cryptocurrency wallet designed for the Solana blockchain ecosystem. It allows users to store, send, and receive tokens, as well as interact with decentralized applications seamlessly. Phantom Wallet is widely recognized for its intuitive interface, fast transactions, and robust security features. Once downloaded, it will be shown in your apps. And that's it, guys. Found helpful? Make sure to leave a like and do subscribe to the channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching.